We're filming. Hello.
We are filming. Here we go.
Here we are again.
Yes, we are.
All right, so we did these OPI colors. Oh, no, let's take a quick picture thingy.
Oh, we're gonna take.
Oh, God. All right. Okay, picture's taken.
Can we keep the intro at least and just snip up the rest? Okay, because I like the intro.
Yeah.
It's something a little bit different. Had a little flavor to it. So you might want to move these over then.
Okay, why?
I don't know.
All right.
Take out the rest.
So we are going to be soaking off these
Puppies.
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 No.
I like puppies. You don't soak off puppies.
No, exactly.
You give
All
them
right,
that.
so I'm gonna use this bit, which is a ceramic bit.
What?
It's a ceramic.
What's herp derp derp derp? So why are you using a ceramic bit?
Because it doesn't heat up as much.
Okay, but aren't these soak-offs?
Yeah.
So then why are we?
I'm not filing it off, I'm just removing the top coat.
But for what reason?
Because otherwise it's not gonna soak off for a while. Oh, I know. Because they're soak off, but
They don't soak off well.
exactly.
I see.
Because usually the top coat is a little bit less porous, I mean.
Mm-hmm. You know what I could go for right now?
One.
Cup of coffee. What about you
Oh,
guys? Do
good
you guys
for
like
you.
coffee? I like coffee.
Someone was saying that their favorite coffee, because I guess we had a coffee conversation
Right.
in the
Death Wish?
past. No. McDonald's.
They actually have good coffee.
Yeah, no, they
Yep,
do.
they really do. I have to admit. They've
So-
perfected coffee.
Yeah.
Damn them.
So we are on this hand we have the regular base coat and the regular top coat.
Right.
So I'm kind of filing until I start seeing shadows
Okay.
a little bit.
Yep. Oh, and don't forget, guys.
Oh, and this one has the Pro Health base coat and
yes.
the Pro Health.
This has
top
the
coat.
Pro Health.
The Bro.
Bro Health. Well, that's what it kind of seems like. It seems like that bro science there. But yeah, if you guys like coffee, hit that thumbs up. Give us a like. If not for us,
For the
do it for the
coffee.
coffee.
And let us know actually, seriously.
Oh my goodness.
I didn't do it on purpose. Anyway, let us know how your soak off goes.
Yeah.
Like how do you find soak off of the
And
I
what's your process? What are your ways of effectively soaking up the product?
I think Andrea, one of my viewers and one of the nail techs that I've known for a long time, I think she uses OPI. So Andrea, if you're watching, let us know, please.
Yeah, let us know.
Because like I said in the previous video that we are going to link below is I don't have that much experience with the OPI.
But we're going to link some stuff down below.
All right. Let's see
So,
the removal.
all right,
So
and
I'm
here we
using
go with the
straight
pirate hats.
acetone. Oh, I should not be using straight acetone.
Oh,
Well, I don't know. I'm gonna use their removal.
sounds like an experiment.
No, it's too many experiments. Is there?
Or are you asking like asking me a
Yeah.
legit question? Oh, I don't know.
I'm gonna use the expert touch.
Expert touch. What is expert touch exactly?
Is there a remover? There's
Ah.
special. Because you know, I have everything. Look at this.
You have everything.
Yeah. I have enough products to open up my own distribution center.
Do you have water that's been blessed by Santa Claus?
Yeah.
By the Pope?
Yep.
By Satan?
Yep. Okay, well,
I'm
let's
impressed.
just- no, let's not go there. Okay, so now I don't have it in a proper pump, so this is a little awkward, but I used to have it, but I mean, I do have it somewhere in a proper pump bottle thing, but I don't know where it
Pump
is.
bottle for pumping.
but I don't have time to look for it now. So let's time this.
All right.
So I'm gonna give it 10 minutes.
Okay, let's hit that timer. Whammo. All right.
Mm-hmm. So this is supposed to come off in
How many minutes?
7 minutes, I believe.
7 minutes. What do you predict?
Yeah, it's gonna come off.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Why? Because
I've used it before and it does come off a little.
Oh.
So let's start with that one maybe and just see what the...
I wonder how the Pro Health is gonna...
Well, that's what I'm saying. That's the Pro Health.
Oh. Well, what about the one that you use the straight acetone with? What do you think is
that's
gonna
just a
happen
regular... Yeah, that is a good question.
Ooh.
We'll see in 10 minutes.
Which finger did you use that on, by the way?
The first two. Haha.
These two or these two?
These two.
These two. Continuing the theme of paying attention. Very good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So let me know, guys, if you're... What kind of removers are you using? Are you using straight acetone? Okay, so I have something to say about the, some of the removers that contain oils, or how people put a little bit of oil on the fingers before they wrap the nails. You know why? Because
to try and combat the drying effect?
Yeah, people think that protects the skin. It doesn't. It just makes, because the oil is there, and I actually talked to Doug Schoon, and that's what he actually, my God. Can I stop with it actually? He confirmed that it's just hiding. If there's damage, it just hides any damage, and
wouldn't that
the nails
actually
just look better.
impede?
No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't impede at all?
It just kind of sits there and doesn't do anything, yeah.
Wow, so it sounds like me. It sits here and doesn't do anything. Huzzah! I'm just here to look good. I'm crushed.
So we're going to...
Okay, let's get these things warmed up, right?
Okay, lift your hands. Yep, down. This is what I do for clients. All right, so it's...
Were you afraid of burning them or something?
What, this? No, because for hygienic purposes.
Hygienic purposes.
So I'm not putting over their hands, whatever. So let's...
Yeah, you never know, they may have picked their nose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see you in a few minutes to see how...
Yes, we will see you in a few minutes. And we're back. 7 minutes, 8 minutes later.
Well, yeah, okay. Pull your head up. I mean, whatever, lift your hands. Yeah, it's been 8 minutes, so this took us to about a minute to wrap. What's on my hands? I was messing with the gels. One of them leaked.
Okay, let's.
I didn't pee myself.
Well.
Okay, 8 minutes with this. Oh, look.
What?
Mm-hmm.
What? Look at this. Look at this. You should have like an instant replay in slow-mo.
Yeah.
That is craziness.
This is acetone now. Mm-hmm.
One shot done.
Yeah, but you know exactly this is not going to happen.
No,
after 2 weeks.
This is not common at all.
All right, so let's start removing with this one.
Alrighty, let us begin.
Oh.
Oh, hello.
Okay, so see this. It's impressive. So what I noticed with OPI is that, okay, so you see, like, you're tempted to kind of like help it, but the parts that are stuck, they're really stuck.
You can feel the tug, yeah.
Yeah. So it's not like with shellac where this is all like kind of wet.
Yeah, this is like it's stuck.
You kind of have to rewrap it.
Yeah. Damn.
This was straight acetone actually, by the way. Oh, I don't have the wrappers. Okay, so we're gonna rewrap in this.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Reduce, reuse, recycle, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so you have to give it, I would say, at least 10 minutes. Because it's 9 on brand new application, right?
All right. Well, let's keep rolling. See what happens here.
Okay. Not good.
No. Oh, that just sounded ugly.
See? And I'm telling you, if you force this,
The damage.
yeah, it happens.
Oh,
Because with some of the other
dear.
products, what happens is the products kind of, they're melting. And
Melting.
and you
Awkward
can kind
silence.
of, I know, and you can kind of remove the product by kind of helping it a little bit.
Right.
But I don't find with pure gels you can do that.
With pure gels?
Pure gels.
Pure gel.
See?
Oh,
Yeah.
it just like the sound it makes is
sounds
just
dry.
not pleasant. Yeah.
Yeah, it sounds dry. Again, this is 3 coats.
Well, pro health for the win when it comes to the removal.
Yeah, but my question is it going to last?
Last. Yeah, that
Probably not.
probably not.
Unless you really, unless your clients really
Don't do anything with their hands.
No, they should be. People should be careful with their nails, right? Instead of. Let's see how 10 minutes later this one removes. Oh,
Oh, hey, that's cool. Why did that one do so well?
2 coats. Versus
Oh, the
3.
other ones are 3 coaters. Yeah.
Although the pinky was 2 as well.
3.
Coats.
3?
No, 2.
3.
2. Okay, by the way, we're gonna link the video with the proof that I'm right below.
She probably is. That's normally how it goes, right, guys?
Yes. So again, I don't like to hear this.
Oh, and this
This is 2 coats as well. So I don't know.
that's just not fun.
Yeah, so I don't know.
I don't know. That was on over 10 minutes.
Yeah. So you kind of have to soak it longer or remove.
And that's with removing the top coat.
I didn't remove it perfectly. Well, pretty much removed. So that's 12 minutes. Oh. See what I mean? It's kind of like weird. It's
Hit and
inconsistent.
miss. Well, you know what? I would have figured with such a strong...
Oh,
What?
this one had the strengthening base coat.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, so the strengthening base coat takes longer. Yeah, we had the strengthening on this one.
It's kind of fun to watch. Reminds me of like
It's
a
like
flower
the flower.
blossom.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
Look.
Doop, 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 doop. Beautiful.
Yeah, so I'm also curious
Like if that is how they all removed all the time, hey, I would be...
Yeah, that would be, yeah, very good.
Yeah, it'd be very, very good.
So my question to you guys is, have you tried using 2 layers of the OPI regular base coat? That's my question. Because I've heard that speeds up the removal somehow. It comes off better.
Interesting.
So this is 13 minutes. Kind of 13 minutes.
Kind
not
of 13
really.
minutes. Yeah, because we took it off. Now we're putting it back on. We got to give it a good amount of time, you know?
Look at this art.
Now we can sell for $2 million and be rich.
All right, let's check. I'm impatient.
Well. Ah.
Yeah.
Eh. It removed. It's just like they're not that you put any.
Yeah, but I question this technique.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Not impressed with this removal.
Oh man, come on! Get
Yeah.
off my nail.
Yeah, so the 3 coats of this is not cool. But you have to apply 3 coats.
Ugh.
I know. So on a client, I would not be doing this.
No,
but,
no, we do not recommend this at all. This is for experimenting, and you know, we're professionals.
And he signed a waiver.
I did?
Yeah. That if your nails fall off, it's not my fault.
But it is your fault.
Huh?
What?
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 Oh my god.
Oh, hot diggity dog. That is just not a very fun smell.
Yeah, so it's
smell. sound, wrong sense. Is he even taking product off?
Just a little bit more. Yeah. Not very impressed. So yeah, there it is.
Here, hold
This
on.
is
Let
the
me.
reality.
No, this is
No,
obviously
no.
self-inflicted. Hold on.
No, don't do this.
No, I just want to.
You're away from the camera. Don't pull it off.
Wow,
No.
it is real.
Yeah.
I wanted to feel for myself just how stuck it is, and it's very stuck. It's like 8 out of 10 stuck.
Yeah. So this is the reality of the removal. Can you imagine after 2-3 weeks?
Yeah, let alone like
So my
this
advice,
stuff's cemented. I'll tell you what, it's not going to come off. If you're worried about it coming off, hey, it's not going nowhere.
No, guess what? It is going to come off. Clients are going to be able to chip it, but we can't remove it. So this is even.
Yeah, but the
like,
damage would be
oh yeah.
crazy.
Yeah, people are like I peeled it up.
When did this become Beavis and Butthead?
Truly, it happens. They're laughing about it. My clients sometimes laugh, and I'm like,
You need to leave.
seriously, you need to leave. It's concerning.
I like peeled off my nails, and you know, I had a bad day.
Yeah.
I had this bad day. My boss was being such a and I just peeled them off. No, you ripped them off. You didn't peel them off.
Well, they peeled it off because it's flexible, so it peels. Picked off, yeah.
Not peeled.
It just kind of came off by
No,
itself.
it doesn't just come off by itself. It's not like it just jumped off your nail one day. Not impressed.
It's been 17 minutes.
17 minutes and 26 seconds. No. Excuse me.
I think we're gonna end this video with this, no?
Let's whatever comes off, and then we'll just wrap it up. Let's do this.
It's not gonna come off.
We are now at, wait for it, 18 minutes, let's go.
No.
Because you have to, because you'll go nuts if you don't.
Okay. Look at this. Terribly.
And this is at 18 minutes and
Yeah, well, you can't kind of say 18
seconds.
minutes. Like this is,
I know, because we've...
Yeah, we've stopped.
Yeah.
But you see, there's like
Marks.
areas that are not the healthiest.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So there you have it, guys.
This is the reality
There's
of
the removal, the reality
of the removals.
of the OP.
And look at this, eh? What is that?
A lot of yellowing.
Yeah, weird. Probably from the removers. Anyway, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and
We'll see you in the next
we will
video.
see you on the next video. Bye.
Ciao. We had like the best intro, and now it's going to be thrown out the window because now we have to take pictures.
Oh, and I wanted to show this one too. Okay,
Oh,
anyway.
we wanted to show that one too.
Oh, this one. Oh, look at this.
Very nice.
Yeah, that's for the next video.
That's for the next video.